So guys, now to section the front side, we are not going to be doing the same thing we did while sectioning the front. Okay, so instead of going round that way, we are going to be sectioning it straight. Okay, so this is what I mean. That's how you section the front side. I told you guys the way you section the back is different from the way you will section the front side if you want to get it right. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and section it straight that way. Okay, and the front has to match with the back side. Okay, so the same volume you did with the front side should also be the same volume with the second side, sorry, the front side. All right, so I have to now braid it, or we can use a band to hold it. Okay, so guys, if you followed me to this point and you know you found one or two values from this video, go ahead and please hit that like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want to say, please drop it in the comment section. If you have a video request, a tutorial video request, please drop them in the comments section. All right. So now I'm done. I sectioned the second one, but the second one is obviously bigger than the first one I did, so it's not matching with the back side. I have to reduce it. Okay, so you see the reason why it's okay to first of all take your time and section your fullace before braiding, especially when you are doing a boss braid, either normal boss braid or knotless braid. So it's okay it's very advisable to first of all section it this way before braiding, so that not after adding your extension you find out that one line is not matching the other. It will be another work for you to start losing and then braiding again. So it's better to section first so that you know that everything is accurate before you march forward to braid. Okay, so I'll do this one and then I'll complete it. In total I have 6. Okay, 6 of these for the front, while the back we have 5. Okay, so when I'm done with everything, this is what we have. So with this now I can go ahead and part my braids and start to braid. Okay, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you guys are learning things from my tutorial videos. If you know you've learned one or two, please let me know in the comment section, not just from this particular video, from all my tutorial videos that you've been watching. If you have learned one or two things from those videos, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please do not forget to hit that like button, share, comment, ask all your questions. Bye.